In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through a single leg deadlift on a TRX. So fantastic for the hamstrings, the glutes, lower back and core. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be starting off with the handles of the TRX, the foam handles, in line with the front of our hips. So get your hands, place them on the front of the hips, and that is where the handles are going to start. You just want to make sure that everything is in line, that you've got the handles perfectly set in line with each other, and that there's not one handle lower than the other. So what we're going to do in this position is I'm going to take a step back. My feet are together. There's a very slight gap between my feet. Hopefully you can see on the camera. And then from here, what we're going to do is we're going to choose what leg is going to be our stabilizing leg and what leg is going to be the leg that comes back as you hip hinge forward into your deadlift. So I'm going to be using my left leg as my stabilizing leg, which means my right leg is going to come back. As I bring the leg back, I'm going to try and keep a neutral spine and my arms are going to come out. So let me show you what that looks like. So I'm in the middle of the TRX. I'm going to bring my leg back. My arms come forwards. I'm trying to keep that straight line of my back, and I return to the start position. So neutral back, coming forwards, hands forwards as well, and back up. Those of you with really good hamstring flexibility may find that you don't have a bend at the knee when you do the movement. And those of you like me with really bad hamstring flexibility will notice that you'll get to a stage within the deadlift movement where the hamstrings are at full load and then you start to bend the leg. Now, it doesn't matter which variation you fall into, whether it's the category that has good hamstrings or bad hamstrings, it will work your hamstrings, glutes, lower back and core exactly the same. Just for one group, they're going to come into hamstring full tightness. And for the other group who have better flexibility, they won't need to come into that bent knee position. That's how to do a single leg deadlift on a TRX.